Welcome back. In the previous video, when we were trying to log in a user, we got this network error, and I said it's because of what? Calls, right? Because we are trying to call our Express or Node application API inside our React application, and these two are different servers. And if you do that, you're going to get what is called calls error. So we are going to back end to make some simple configuration to our server so that we can make a call from anywhere inside our application. So we are going back to the back end. So like I said, we can go back end at any point in time. So now inside the server, right, let's go ahead and install a package called calls. So make sure that you are inside your server. So let's cd into server, and then let's install a package called calls, right? And this, we are going to pass this call as a middleware. So now it has finished installing, and then what I'm going to do is that let me clear the console, let me go back one step, and then what I'm going to do is let's start the server yarn watch to start both client and the server. Okay, cool. So now let's head over to our server. So we are here inside the backend folder, and let's head over to our app here, right? So here we're going to pass calls as a middleware. So let's require the package we installed. So const calls is equal to required what? Calls, as that. And what I need to do is I have to pass as a middleware. So let me call this one calls middleware, or better still app.use, and you can guess this is how we pass in a middleware. So .use, and then we pass in the calls as a function, right? Like that. So we can configure this package to allow a particular front end to retrieve or make a call to our API. But let's make it simple, and any application can make API calls to this. So with this being in place, right, let's go ahead, let's restart the server again. Let me make sure that I'm here. Okay, now the server is working, the front end is also working, right? So let's try to make a request to log in. So now when I click login, let's look at our dev extension 2, and now this time around I see something different, and it says that rejected, right? So let's see the kind of error that is. So let's see the error. We have what? Invalid login credentials. So now we know that the error has changed, and now it tells me that the login credentials is not correct. So let's use the right login credentials. So let's use this email, and it exists, and let's use 1 2 3 4 5 and click on that. So let's see something. This time around we have what? On pending, loading, and now fulfilled, right? And if you look at the payload, now we have the same results when you did from the backend, from the postman. So now we have the login, and we are getting back our token. That is crazy, guys. So I'm happy that we're able to log in from our front end. So in the next video, we are going to work on the registration of a user, right? And we're going to do this one in one video. We are going to create the action, we are going to create the reducer, handle the forms, and then dispatch our action to log in a user, right? So let's do that one in the next video.